Hi, in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to log out of your Facebook account on your smartphone. Let's go to Facebook and see how to do it. After we logged into Facebook, we need to click on the three bars in the upper right corner. Then we go down and see Log Out button. Click on it. After which, we are asked to save your login info. I click on Save, so that later I can log into our account again without problems. I click Save, and we are once again asked log out of your account. We press Log Out. Then we wait a little, after which we are logged out of our account. Here we can choose to log into another account or log into this account. I click on Log In, and here I am again in it. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.